making you cry, refined down to a science. I study the bloodied hand, drinking red wine spiced and tempered with violence is God's only one command. Cannibalize all my lies just for you. These are the things I do. I stay fresh and so clean in the homicide scene. I believe that's the reason why. Been holding you down by your legs till you drown. I feel nothing when I see you cry. Regurgitate all the hate that builds up. Pour it into your cup. That I spun. Oh, what in the hell have I done? Cut me down to size, make me realize that all these lies, they only cause pain. They'll never sustain, just throw them away. I'll fall to my knees and start to pray, but I won't stay. And after a day, I'll go back to doing what I do best. Ingest, princess, I confess. God making you cry, refined down to a science. I study the bloodied hand. You can try to deny it, but girl, anyway you slice it, you're stuck with the lizard blood man. Thanks, everybody. That song was called Lizard Blood Man, and it's from our upcoming album Projection, due out sometime next year. Probably the raunchiest number from the album, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all at the next one. Bye-bye.